Here's a look at where the markets ended the week as investors await this month's Fed rate decision. Tech stocks taking a hit as that sector lagged. And in other market news, getting advice on how to invest and manage your money from real humans may soon become a thing of the past. Tech company Global Predictions has created an AI-powered platform called PortfolioPilot. It's driven by ChatGPT, and it makes personalized recommendations based on your current portfolio and economic conditions. It is the first ever non-human financial advisor registered by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Joining me now is Global Predictions CEO and founder, Alexander Harmsen. Alexander, great to have you with us. Tell us a little bit more about PortfolioPilot, how it works. There are people out there who are a little skeptical about ChatGPT starting to pick stocks.
I'm glad to be here. Thanks for having me on. Like you just showed, PortfolioPilot, we see it as the first AI-driven financial advisor, and we went through a great deal of work to be able to make sure that this actually can get regulatory approval with the SEC. And so we actually went through the exact same human financial advisor process that all other registered investment advisors go through. And a big part of that is that we don't use ChatGPT for these recommendations. And so, on the surface, it looks like similar technology here, but we actually use our proprietary economic insights engine that has hedge fund level models that monitor millions of different data points within the economy. We bring that together and attach it to your specific portfolio. We pull in specific investment preferences, whether you like dividends, whether you're looking for ETF recommendations, mutual funds, and the system gives very specific recommendations around fees, around tax loss harvesting, increasing risk-adjusted returns, being a little bit more downside protected against inflation risks or liquidity changes in markets. Really adapts to your specific preferences.
So it sounds to me like it's almost an algorithm, right? You put in your inputs based on your personal situation, what your risk tolerance is, what you're looking to do, what your time horizon is. You put all these things in together, and the computer, and trading is largely computer driven right now too. Algorithms are very successful for that. That basically, based on all of those inputs, it can come up with a model that would work for the individual investor.
You're exactly right. Our team comes with both a Silicon Valley background, some successful entrepreneurs, and Wall Street expertise. And so we've seen what works at some of the top tier hedge funds in the world, like Bridgewater. And a big part of the idea here is to bring these hedge fund caliber models to individuals, to individual retail investors, and not just day traders. This is normal people who are looking to rebalance their portfolio, who think about real estate that they might have, together with stock options from their company, together with 401ks. They're thinking about taxes and fees. And so applying those hedge fund quality portfolio management tools through this algorithm that we've built, really personalized to your specific scenario.
It sounds amazing. Meantime, Alex, you're not the only one who is bringing this technology or trying to bring it to the forefront. JP Morgan is among those also developing its own version of AI investors to help revamp their portfolios. How's your software going to stand out against the competition? I imagine that they're using some of these sophisticated modeling techniques as well.
If we're said in the same sentence as JP Morgan, I'm quite a happy CEO. We're growing tremendously quickly. We're about $6.2 billion of assets on the platform at this point. Tens of thousands of users, more joining every single day. I think the big difference is that a lot of this AI is being used, for hedge fund quality portfolios, to help wealth managers themselves, to help big banks and institutions. We're the only one that's regulated to be used by individuals. And so we think that, that is, at the end of the day, the best thing that we can do to democratize access to these kinds of tools and these incredible strategies. And our goal is for tens of millions of Americans and ultimately internationally to have access to these kinds of investing insights.
Yeah, we are in the early innings of AI, but it does seem that those who have first mover advantage with all different aspects of the space are going to be successful. So, Alex, we're going to keep an eye on what you're doing. Alex Harmsen, thank you so much.